Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable VoiceView feature on Amazon Kindle 11. To enable this accessibility feature, we're gonna need to pair either a pair of Bluetooth with our Amazon Kindle, or it can also be a speaker. To pair your device with your Kindle, you have to tap the three dot icon in the top right corner of the screen, go to Settings, and go to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth in the settings menu. Turn on the Bluetooth. Then in Bluetooth devices, select your Bluetooth device, wait until it's paired with your Kindle. And now to enable the accessibility features, we have to go back to settings, go to accessibility, select VoiceView screen reader, and then enable it by switching this toggle to the right. And here we can also adjust the VoiceView screen reader settings after we turn it on. So we can watch the tutorial to get to know with how the VoiceView screen reader works. We can adjust the volume, we can change the speech rate, and we can choose our Bluetooth device. By default, your connected Bluetooth device will be selected automatically. So basically now when you touch something on your Amazon Kindle, you will see what you're touching. You will hear what you're selecting in your headphones or using your speaker. And to disable this feature, just switch the toggle off by tapping on it twice in the VoiceView screen reader feature menu. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.